Have you ever had a runny nose or maybe a headache? What about back pain, constipation, indigestion, mood changes, or fatigue? Did you ever stop to wonder what caused it? Well, you may be surprised to know that it was most likely caused by the air you breathe, the food you eat, or the water you drink. Unfortunately, the environment we live in is a rather toxic place. According to the CDC, we are regularly exposed to 50,000 chemicals, and 2 billion people suffer from parasitic infection, 150 million in the United States. That's nearly half the population. And while we think we might be taking proper precautions, it's very hard to avoid all of these contaminants. Did you know that 110 chemicals are used to grow an apple? And while you probably wash your apples before you eat them, did you know that ordinary tap water may contain up to 700 chemicals? The EPA states that drinking water, including bottled water, may reasonably be expected to contain at least small amounts of some contaminants. And what sort of contaminants are these? They include cyanide, mercury, arsenic, asbestos, uranium, cryptosporidium, and giardia, to name a few. Fortunately, our bodies were designed to get rid of the toxins and parasites that invade our body. However, as efficient as our body is at doing this, it can be overwhelmed with the amount of preservatives, toxins, chemicals, pollutants, and parasitic contaminants we absorb from our modern world. In fact, the average person carries anywhere from 5 to 25 pounds of intestinal toxic matter. This toxic matter needs to be cleansed from our systems because every tissue in our body is fed by the bloodstream, which is supplied by the intestines. When our intestines are dirty, the blood is dirty, and so are the organs and tissues. Over time, increased exposure to toxins, pollutants, and parasites wreaks havoc on our digestive system. The deterioration of the digestive system can occur silently for years, producing no symptoms or only minor, non-specific ones. Headaches, reduced energy, gas, bloating, constipation, and indigestion. These can be a prelude to the onset of more chronic problems: obesity, prostate disease, diabetes, peptic ulcers, and even colorectal cancer, the fourth most common cancer in women. As a matter of fact, 60 to 80% of all cancers are a direct result of chemicals in our air, water, and food. Toxins our bodies need help to get rid of. Unfortunately, many of us wait until we experience serious health concerns before we consider a healthy digestive system regimen. Fortunately, we don't have to wait. Unicity International's ClearStart is a revolutionary system designed to naturally cleanse your body of toxins, pollutants, and parasites by utilizing our most powerful digestive health products. Each product is specifically designed to naturally help the body cleanse itself of toxins and unwanted substances while supporting normal gastrointestinal function. Black walnut hull, the main ingredient in Paraway Plus, has been used for centuries to kill many kinds of intestinal worms. Together with pumpkin seed and a powerful array of other plant compounds and herbs, Paraway Plus helps the body effectively cleanse itself of parasites and toxins without the negative side effects of harsh chemicals. This supplement soothes the digestive and urinary tracts while it cleanses. Life Fiber is a psyllium-based powder drink mix that provides 29 different herbs with both insoluble fiber and 8 times more soluble fiber than oat bran. Studies indicate that soluble fiber may help reduce cholesterol, while insoluble fiber helps clear the colon of toxins and other waste. Combined, these ingredients support the gastrointestinal tract by helping sweep away toxins, parasites, and other wastes while helping cleanse the colon and provide the needed fiber for optimal gastrointestinal health. Nature's Tea is a sweet-tasting blend of traditional Chinese and American herbs that boosts your body's ability to cleanse itself of toxins and impurities. The senna leaf, a key ingredient, is an ancient herb known for its laxative qualities that helps regulate proper bowel transit so your body can absorb the nutrients it needs. For those who prefer the convenience of a capsule, Unicity offers aloe vera for the same laxative qualities as an alternative to Nature's Tea. A convenient and informative program guide helps you maximize ClearStart's benefits by providing an easy-to-use, step-by-step regimen to better health.
There are a lot of cleanse products that are available on the market that are ineffective and utilize harsh ingredients in order to accomplish the quote-unquote cleansing. What I like about ClearStart is that it is all natural, safe, effective, and is gentle on the body.
The world can be a dangerous place, but your body doesn't have to be. ClearStart, a healthy start to a healthier you.